The horizon is nothing but white.
He made it! It is so cold outside. Come in, quickly!
Miss, you're all frosty.
Welcome back! It's freezing in here!
Thank you, Ahmed and Sarah. It certainly is cold.
Great Spirit, hear my voice on the wind. Keep my family safe.
Despite the cold, we must focus. Today's topic is the resilience of the human body in sub-zero environments.
The frostbite can be cruel, but here we are safe and warm. Despite the cold outside, we must continue our studies. Please open your books to chapter 4.
Careful now, it's very hot. Hold it with both hands.
Wow, it's so warm! Thank you!
This smells good.
Very good.
They traveled far, far away to where the air was thick with the scent of spices and the rivers flowed with sunlight.
It's just the cold speaking.
So we have 5, and now this is the number 6. 5 and 6.
Here, be careful, it's warm now. Thank you. It smells wonderful.
And so the little bear snuggled deeper into his cave, safe from the winter storm raging outside.
The walk home feels longer. Thank you.
You're safe now.
The path ahead is heavy with snow.
Good morning, everyone. Although it is incredibly cold outside, we have important work to do in here today.
Look, it's Miss Akari.
Hello, everyone. It is so cozy in here.
And if we add 3 more, what do we get?
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Nice and snug. We want to make sure the cold air stays out. Okay, who is next?
It is beautiful, isn't it?